Okay, 57. 57 is inequality, again rational, because we have variable here. So now I propose you, for example, put everything to the left. Now after that, I find the least common denominator. The least common denominator is x. 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 less than 0. Okay, so let's do the factorization this trinomial. Let me do here. 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 factorization. Multiplication is 36 and the combination is 9 and 4, because 9 times 4 is 36 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So I copy 6x squared minus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Wait, this is plus. Negative and positive, subtraction, we put the sign minus 5. Now the greatest common factor here is 3x. We have 2x minus 3. And the greatest common factor is 2x minus 3. Then is 2x minus 3 times 3x plus 2. Okay, this is the factorization, this part. So this is 2x minus 3, 3x plus 2 over x less than 0. Okay, so in this finding, critical value and restriction. Okay, let me erase the factorization. This factorization is more important. Okay, critical value. Critical value is the 0. Is 2x minus 3 equals 0. This is 2x equal 3 divided by 2, x equal 3 half. And 3x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x equal minus 2 divided by 3 divided by 3. X is equal minus 2 over 3. Okay, this is the critical value. So the critical value are 3 over 2 and negative 2 over 3. And the restriction is obvious, okay, 0, x equals 0. Now let's use this for the partition. The partition is over a number line, positive infinity, negative infinity, is 0, 1, 2, 3 half is here. Okay, this point is 1.5 is 3 half, and the other point is, this is minus 1, is negative divided by 3. This is negative 2 over 3. Okay, and this is another partition. Okay, now the testing point. The testing point are negative 1. One more testing is here, maybe in the middle here. This is like a negative 1/2. And one more point is 1. And another point is 2. Okay, now the chart. Let's learn the chart. Testing point. Is negative 1. Is negative 1/2. Is 1 and 2. and we have three factors. One factor is 2x minus 3. Another factor is 3x plus 2. And another factor is x. E total. Okay. -1 here is negative. -1 here is negative because it's -3 plus 2 is negative. And -3 negative. The answer is negative. -1 here is negative. -1 here is positive. -1 here, of course, negative. 2 negative is positive. 1 here is negative. 1 here is positive and positive. The answer is negative. 2 is plus, plus, and plus. The answer is plus. Okay, remember our expression. This is our expression. Our expression, we are investigating what part is less than 0, que es sinónimo to say negative. So it's true here and true here. This is a negative part. Okay, now I highlight this part. The part is -1 is this part. To infinity, to negative infinity. And the part is 1 is this part. Es obvio que our inequality is strict inequalities do not contain the endpoint. Paréntesis, paréntesis, paréntesis. Okay, so now the answer, final answer in interval notation is from negative infinity, comma, this point, que this point is -2/3, union 0, 3/2. Okay, this point, 3/2. In interval notation, in set notation. In set notation would be then the answer. Let me see, let me erase this part. Yes, why not? Is the interval x such that x is less than -2/3, or x in between 0 and 3/2. Final answer. Okay, this is polynomial inequality. Entonces now you are doing the great common factor, que es x squared minus 9 less than or equal to 0. Now after difference of square factorization, x 3 plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus, less than or equal to 0. Entonces now is, okay, is the equation is x plus 3, x minus 3 equal to 0, then x 0, x is -3, and x positive 3 is the critical value. Let's do the partition for this critical value. Real number, infinity, negative infinity. This is 0. Positive 3 and -3. 1, 2, 3 here. -1, -2, -3 here. Testing point associated is -4 is -1, maybe positive 1 and 4. They share minus 4, negative 1, 1, and 4. X is the factor x plus 3, x minus 3, and the total sign. Okay, this is our chart. And you evaluate. Negative 4, but this is negative, this is negative, this is positive, and this is positive, because it's just plugging in this value in x. This is negative, this is negative, 3 negative is negative. This is negative 1 here is positive, negative 1 here is negative, it's positive. And 1 is positive, and this is 1 is negative, and we have 1 negative is negative. Thus 4 is positive here, and positive here is positive. Actually, the true part is the part is negative because our inequality. Okay, this is an important expression. Okay, we need to analyze. It's less than, so it's negative. The true part is negative here and here. Okay, now I shade this part is when it's negative 4 at this interval, and 1 more, and 1 is this interval. Okay. Now the equation, so the solution, so the critical value belongs to the solution because it's equal. So it's a bracket here, and bracket here. Everything is bracket. And the answer in interval notation is from negative infinity, comma, negative 3, bracket, union, bracket 0, comma 3. Or, in other notation, is x such that x less than or equal minus 3, or x in between 0 and positive 3. It's the same thing. Perfect.